This is the All-Top Piping Bag and Tip Set. In the set, you get a reusable silicone bag, 100 disposable bags, 2 couplers, 2 pastry tips, 2 bag ties, and 3 icing scrapers. The silicone bag is very heavy duty and very well made, and it cleans without any effort at all. These are very well made and a long-lasting set that you can use for cake and pastries. The disposable bags are great for convenience because when you're done with them, you just toss them away. The couplers are well crafted and allows you to change tubes without having to change the bags. And that's been thought out very well too because they include 2 of them. Most other companies only will give you 1. The ties are great for those that can't quite get the hang of the twist bag method, or for children because then there's no mess, no fuss that keeps them from the icing coming out the top of the bag. The tips have every size and shape that you will probably ever need for home use. This is another feature that I thought was very well thought out because there's so many tips that have there's so many different sizes and shapes of tips, and these really have all of the everything that you're probably ever going to need in this set. Go ahead, pick a set up, give it a try. Let me know what you think and what you make with it.